Thank you so much. Back at this lady, wonderful lady who I owe. There you go.
Hello po, I'm Jade po from JManias Online. So yung question ko po is para po sa 3 leads. Based po sa premise ng movie nyo, do you believe po ba that love can heal all wounds?
Pwedeng true or false na lang? Or what if multiple choice? Para madali lang. Anyone from the cast maybe?
Depende siguro sa gravity nung nangyari, 'di ba? Kung sobrang lala at hindi mo na talaga hindi na kayang ma-heal, ba? Huwag niyo nang pilitin kasi baka maulit-ulit, 'di ba? Usually ganun yung mga ayaw ka naman salita. Okay.
Next question, please. Ganun ba? Next person to answer. Ewan ko. Alright.
Ako syempre, naniniwala ako na kapag meron pang pagmamahal, sa tingin ko, kahit ano pa yan, may heal yan. Pero hindi natin masabi kung may babalik pa talaga sa dati, di ba? Pero kung may pagmamahal, maaari pang ma-heal ang isang relasyon.
So si Sir Sam.
Sam, ito, gusto ko marinig.
Ang opinion niyo po, sir.
If love can heal all the wounds, like yung sinabi ni Jen, I think it depends. Every situation is different. I think that over time can heal wounds, but my scar, my peklat, there will always be something left behind. Whether it's a hugot that you always bring back if you could be triggered by, or a big lesson that you learned that made you grow. Normally that's what happens. It's a bigger lesson that comes out of it. But I think love will always prevail in the end. But there are different situations that, it's hard to say sa mga iba't ibang situations. But over time, it will heal. Yeah.
So, bali last na po. So, bilang married couple po, syempre po, di ba, and sa story din po, bali married couple din po yung play niyo. Syempre po, sa couple, normal lang naman po na magkaroon po ng marital problem. So, bilang married couple, both sa movie and sa real life, so what's your advice po para po ma-overcome po nila yung problems po nila sa marriage?
Communication talaga yung key sa isang healthy relationship. Kung may mga needs kayo, kung may mga concerns kayo, kailangan nyo talagang upuan ng kayong dalawa lang. Walang ibang involved. Yung talagang maayos yung dalawa lang na makakapag-usap kayo ng matino at hindi magsisigawan, yung ganun. Ano pa ba? Time siguro, time para sa isa't isa. Importante na hindi nawawala yung quality time para yung spark pa rin ng relationship ninyo nandyan pa rin.
Yun, sa tingin ko, ako naman, sa tingin ko importante yung wag mo susukuhan yung kapartner mo, lalo na kung mag-asawa na kayo, at kung mahal yung isa't isa, natural lang na mag-aaway kayo sa umpisa, merong mga hindi pagkakaintindihan, pero kung talagang nagkasundo kayo na gusto niyo magsama habang buhay, kailangan panindigan niyo at huwag niyo susukuhan yung isa't isa.
Thank you. Sabi sa inyo guys, true or false na lang eh. We have, I think, a question at this side. There you go. Whoops, sorry. English. You know what, have mine.
Hi, I'm Judy po from The Post. So there is a line for the three. There's a line in the film that says, nangako tayo na for better or for worse, but nag-give up ka during our worst. So that carries a weight in relationship. So in your own opinion, what does it truly mean to love someone for better or for worse?
Grabe naman yung mga tanong dito.
Guys, I swear after this, true or false na. Hindi na talaga.
Napaka-importante nung sinumpaan ng mag-asawa. Pagka may sinumpaan kayong pangako sa isa't isa, kailangan yung mapanindigan yun. Importante na magawa niyo yun ng magkasama kayong dalawa. Hindi natatapos yung mga problema kasi palagi namang magkakaroon ng problema. Ang importante kung paano kayo magiging matibay at paano nyo masosolve ng problema ng buo pa rin kayo.
Kaya napaka-importante po to know everything about your wife para po talagang alam mo kung paano siya nagre-react kapag malungkot kayo, pag nasa loob mo kayo, pag masaya. Kaya kabisado mo siya, alam mo ang lahat tungkol sa kanya para, alam mo yun, mas magsisilbihan mo siya, makakausap at mas maiintindihan, di ba? Yung basically yun talaga yun.
Same, but I truly believe love is a choice. Love is really a choice. You choose to love that person every day. You choose, ay shoot, nag-aaway tayo ngayon, ay galit ako sa'yo, pero I still choose you. There could be other people around, you're like, no, I still choose you. It's making that choice every day. Kahit anong nangyayari sa buhay nyo, I still choose you. It's the main thing.
There you go. Short and sweet. Love that. Thank you. We have a question at that side, I believe.
Hi. Good afternoon. I'm John Bueno from Kumakaw.com. First of all, congratulations. I'm really excited for this movie. Even nung mga parang tinitease nyo pa lang siya over TikTok and all other social channels. But siguro I'd like to ask all the actors, no? But a different question for you two, Jen and Dennis. I'd like you to maybe tell us a little bit about your first love. No? Kindly tell us who your first love was, kung pwede, and can you tell us why did you fall in love with them?
Diyan baka pag uwi namin mag-away kami.
And then sa inyo naman, Jen and Dennis, why did you fall in love with Jen? What was it? And then, ganun po. Siguro kay Sam muna.
My first love?
Yes. And
oh wow.
Tell us why.
My first girlfriend actually was when I was about 12 or 13. Yes, but I wouldn't say she's my first love. I had a huge crush on her for how many years? Her name was Laurel Miller. I remember, blonde hair, blue eyes.
Shout out to her.
But my first love, I would say, was my high school girlfriend. 4 years kami. Lindsay Perry, ang name niya. She has...
Lucky Facebook na daw agad agad.
Okay, I shared, yes. But we were 4 years on and off. It was, high school. And why?
Yeah.
We just... I don't know, we just became... For me, the foundation of friendship is really important to me. If you have that strong foundation of friendship, you really know the person, and then everything follows after that day. And we had a really good foundation of friendship at that time. Yeah. And obviously physical attraction. I mean that's a given, but we just really got along. We had a lot of similar likes, and kahit lagi kami magkasama, we ng ano?
This is spelling ng Lindsay. L-Z-H-A-Y.
May asawa na siya, so isa-search niyo yung Lindsay Perry, hindi may asawa na siya. But yeah, we just had a lot of similar likes, and we just, kahit lagi kami magkasama, we just enjoyed our time together. Yeah, I mean it was 4 years. Yeah, but that was pretty much it. I mean we were so young at the same time. I mean we got together, I was 17. 17 yata, so sobrang bata kami.
Alright. Yeah. I'd like, siguro sila, Joanne?
So, kwento muna sa amin.
Ano po, wala po akong...
First
Ako
love.
po kasi...
Ano yung at niya?
To be honest po, I'm NBSP po. Kaya bukas, ayan. Sino po kaya makakadate bukas sa Valentine's? Taas ang katsa. Ayun po, siguro po, love po, crush lang po nung high school, elementary, gano'n.
Wala kayong ma-stalk para sa'yo?
Do you remember who that
Kumusta na
person
siya
was?
ngayon? Awayan namin if you want. Ganun.
Wala.
Wala talaga.
Oh.
Good job. Very safe ang answer. Very celebrity ang answer. Eh. Alright, we do have another question. I think it's time for the last one actually. Right here behind me.
Hello po, I'm Chad from Sinigang.ph. My question is for
Oh, sorry. My bad. I'm so rude. Last gig ko na to with you guys. Sorry po. Alright, then with the rest of the cast, of course.
Pag-uusapan ko pa yun? Di syempre, nung high school ako. Meron ako yung first boyfriend ko na official. And siguro we lasted for mga 2 years. Nagustuhan ko sa kanya, matalino siya, malinis. At saka yung talagang lalaki, manly. Yun. Ayoko nang sabihin kasi baka hanapin nyo sa Facebook.
Yeah, well, yung sa akin, hindi ko rin sure kung pwede ko i-mention yung name niya kasi medyo private person po siya. Pero it was way back 2014 and it was the kind of love that was, a little bit obsessive, no? Yung medyo selfish kind of love na too much. Yung lagi mong inuuna yung sarili mo bago yung taong mahal mo. Siyempre, that matures through time and yeah, yun.
Ay, Alex, akala mo? Alex, no, we're not done with you. At sige, before we get to Alex, si Direk naman, baka you can also kwento.
Go, Direk!
Kung hindi po, Direk, okay na rin kasi ikaw, you pay the bills.
Okay, rule, we listen, we don't judge.
Slay! Let's do that.
Okay. I fell in love with a girl. And then, I discovered, meron kasing middle person who is a lesbian. And then, naging sila nung lesbian. That's the point na, hindi talaga ako pang babae. So, that was guys.
Quite a twist, ha?
Please. Yes. So.
That was a twist in the kwento. I thought so differently. Thank you. Thank you for the clarification.
Yeah.
Yeah, sige. Then next question na daw, Sir, I'm sorry, but my floor director is telling me otherwise. I'm just doing my job daw, and guys, sue me. I'm just doing my job. Alright, sige, ito na lang. Only if they want to splook for you guys. Would you want to splook? Would you want to share the kwento? Why they fell in love daw? Or how rather, why they fell in love? Ba't ako na-in-love sa kanya? The how pala daw. So naglalakad kayo, it was in the rain, Intramuros Bridge or something. Don't know. I'm making things up here.
Siguro yung pagpili ng isang tao na pakikisamahan mo, para sa akin, instinctive yan Mararamdaman mo talaga kung sino yung kasundo mo, hindi ko alam kung paano, pero pag nakikita mo siya, pag nakakatabi mo siya, pag nakakausap mo, mararamdaman mo na yun talaga yung tao na gusto mong pakisamahan ng matagal. So, ganun yung naramdaman ko kay Jen. Hindi agad-agad, pero slowly yung realization, pero sa tingin ko, yun yung pinaka-importante, yung ma-realize mo na ito talaga yung tao na yun.
I like how Jen is just, yeah. And with that, I wrap. You know what? If you tell me to wrap up, I'm so good with that.
Kinikilig lang ako.
Ayun pala yun! Guys, see that? Acting. Akala ko talaga kanina, you know what? Stoic lang ako dito. Deep down pala kinikilig si ate mo. Okay. Laban, ma'am. With that, I actually really can give you one last question. So let's hear it out.
I'm Chad from Sinigang.ph. My question is for Direk Riel. I think this is a remake or adaptation po of an Argentinian film, Un Novio para Mi Mujer. So I wanna ask po yung mga niretain or binago from that film, and maybe if the cast also has seen the adaptation, yung original po. Right?
Yung Un Novio para Mi Mujer, hindi namin napanood. Yung napanood namin was the Korean version, which I think is much closer to our sensibilities as Filipinos. Definitely, yung main premise ng movie na what if may isang husband na punong-puno na doon sa asawa niya at gusto niyang makipaghiwalay pero hindi niya kaya. Mas yun lang yung focus nung story na ginawa natin sa Philippines. Kasi yung original, it's all about divorce. Siyempre, iba yung issue ng divorce. Wala naman tayo nun. It's, hanggang ngayon naman pinag-uusapan pa rin yan. But I think at the deep side of the story is really about commitment. So we focus on that in making the story. Thank you so much kay Miss Rona ko, our brilliant writer. Yan. Siya rin yung original writer ng Hello Love Again, si Miss Rona ko. Hello Love, goodbye, sorry. Goodbye, yes. Yeah, but we made sure that it's grounded at malapit talaga siya sa sensibilidad ng mga Pilipino, yung pinagdadaanan natin. Yung trailer, actually, ano lang yan, as in tip of the iceberg siya. You will really laugh at the movie because sobrang ridiculous ng mga scenarios, pero sa totoo lang pwede pala siyang mangyari sa totoong buhay. And yun din naman yung pinanggagalingan naming lahat when we did it. Wala kang mapapanood na slapstick because it's never about that kind of comedy. Nakakatawa siya dahil nakakatawa yung mga sitwasyon. So, Pilipinong-Pilipino, kwento ng mga Pilipino at ng mga nagmamahal ang mga Pilipino. At kung gaano ka-importante ang commitment at ang kasal para sa ating kultura. That is the main focus of everything about my wife.
I love that, how important marriage is in our culture. Thank you so much, Direk Rial. One more question this time from me. Jen, I gotta ask, did you really get to sit down na ba and actually watch the movie? Because, you know, people are saying stuff and it's just so good. Yeah, I mean, we want to know, like, diba, with all the emotions and everything, napanood mo na ba siya? And how did you go through it? Would I say?
Hindi ko pa napapanood kasi gusto kong makasabay yung mga audience sa premiere. Nung nagkaroon kami ng exhibitor screening, pinili talaga namin na hindi umupo doon at panoorin yung pelikula. Kasi sabi ko, gusto kong surprise. Gusto kong makita siya at ma-experience siya kasama ng mga tao.
There you go. So she wants to watch it with everyone else.
Hindi tao yung mga
Hindi, syempre naman.
Syempre naman yung ang dami, di ba? May mga fans na, tapos may mga friends and families nandun din.
Yes, you want to experience and you want to have a shared experience with all of the viewers as well. Sabay-sabay po tayo mag-react, matawa, malungkot, and everything else in between, di ba? With the movie, again, everything about my wife. Thank you so much once again, Dennis, Jen, Sam, Miss Carmi, Polo, Alex, Joyang, and Direk Rial. Maraming salamat po. And of course, Jen mentioned about watching the movie. And everyone else mentioned it's out on February 26. But spoiler alert again, guys. May bumulong sa akin bago lang. February 25 is the premiere night at Cinema 3 of SM Mega Mall. We still hope, of course, that a lot of you guys would be able to join us again. It's February 25, the premiere night of Everything About My Wife. There you go. So, media friends, as you get your cameras ready, one more thing, by the way. The sunflowers. I gotta say, take good shots of the sunflowers. There's a little bit of something in the sunflowers in the movie as well. So if you're as curious as I am about these sunflowers, well then, again, an insider told me that they're not just decorations, they actually really hold a story, which we shall find out soon. When again? February? There you go. February 26th is the date. Late Valentine's, if you will. I don't know. But yeah, I don't have a date just yet. It's still planned to watch. And with that, we've had such, can I see that please? We've had such a fun and insightful discussion. Before we wrap up, let's please capture this special moment. We'd like to invite our esteemed cast, director, and special guests to join us on stage for our official photo op. Again, let's call in Sir Chico Alicaya and Carlo.